Let's say we have to download this MQSC plugin. So in the IBM installation site, you'll have the two files. One is the MSOS PDF file and one is the zip file. The PDF file will provide you the instructions of how to install, and this zip file is the actual installer. So based upon the version of your MQ Explorer, you can either use the 1.6 or 1.7. Usually the IIB version 10 will go with 1.7 MQSC script plugin version, and if it is 9 or your MQ Explorer is below like 8, then you can use this 1.6 version. If your MQ Explorer is equal to 8, then you can go for this 1.7 version, and based upon your MQ Explorer version, you can choose either this 1.6 zip file or the 1.7 installation file. So you have to download this and unzip and keep it in a folder. Now let's see how to install this. Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to install the MQSC plugin for your MQ Explorer. This MQSC plugin is used to create the script files, MQSC script files, and to run it on the Windows Explorer to make sure your scripts are good. So before to install the script file, we need the MQSC zip file, the plugin zip file or archive file, which the link to download that file will be provided in the description box. So once you have downloaded the file, it's like a MSOS usually will be the name of the file. So once you have downloaded it, just extract the files. So once you have extracted, you will have the two zip files in this. One is Archie and another is a drop-in site. This Archie, the reason for two things is you can install the script the plugin in two ways. One is by using the install new software, or other is just unzip this drop-in site and then paste this files in the MQ Explorer drop-ins folder. So you can do it in either way. So the best and the most easiest is just to install directly on your MQ Explorer using this Archie site. So first you need to go to your MQ Explorer and then click on the help and then install new software. So here just click on add and then browse to your Archie location, and here you have to select your Archie site and click on and then click on open. So here this the duplicate is because I already have this file on my screen. That's fine. Okay, let me first delete these two things. Remove. Yes. Okay. So now click on the click on add and then go and click on your Archie site. Click open and then give some name as MQSC and click OK. So your MQSC file. So this is the MQSC Explorer MQSC editing plugin, and click next and then agree the software. Just click next and I accept the license, the software license, and click on install. And once that is done, you have to restart your MQ Explorer to make sure to have the updates updated on your MQ Explorer. So now my MQ Explorer is restarting. So once that is restarted, now you can see the new folder called MQSC script project has been created. Just expand this one. This is the my node is not running, that's fine. This is the MQSC script files. So here by default a sample MQSC file will be created, or if you want to create a new script file, just right click on this folder and create the new script file and give some name of the script file as say sample one, whatever the name you want you can provide it. So here the script file will be generated. Now for example, if you want to define create any queue, you can just type the command, or if you don't know the command, just click on control and then space. So all the predefined commands will be defined over here. Just click on define, and then for example, I'm going to create the local queue. So I'm just clicking the queue local, and I'm going to provide some name. Okay, and then if you want any other things, like say for example, description is test queue, and then if you want to have any other properties, like say put is enabled, and then you want say for example get also to be enabled. So you can just write whatever the scripts you want, and then either you can save it, or you can just right click and then run the script, and then here you can find the. So once you are ready with your script, you can just save your script, and then you can just run the script. Right click and click on run the script. All your running queue managers will be shown, and just click on the specific queue manager and run the script. So here you will have your whether the script has run successfully or not. If it is error, then it will show the error message. So now our script is run successful. So this is how we can test our script files.